In this video, I'm going to show you how to write a review on Etsy. It is incredibly helpful to Etsy sellers and other customers on Etsy to leave reviews for products you buy so that others know what to expect from that product. So let's look at how you can write a review on Etsy to give feedback to the seller and other customers. After you make a purchase, you will get an email that says, "What do you think?" and gives you a chance to start your review. When you log back in, you'll also have a little pop-up at the bottom of your screen that says, "Leave a review for your orders." Then if you go to the top menu for your account and go down to purchases and reviews in the pop-up, you will go to the purchases page where you will have a little pop-up at the top that says "One purchase ready to review." And if you scroll down to see all of your purchases, you can see the section where it gives you more information about your order, including the receipt and any digital files. And there's also an area here where you can start your review. To write a review, you can pick any of these locations and then select the number of stars you want to give the product. You can select from 1 to 5, 5 being the best, meaning that you love it, and 1 being the worst, meaning that you did not like it. Whenever you do this, it will pop up a screen on Etsy that says "Leave a review," and it will include the stars that you gave it at the top, and then a text box for you to enter words about your product experience. You can also add a photo, but that is optional. To leave a review, you have to write at least 5 words. So if you click post your review without writing 5 words, it will not go through. So you have to leave at least 5 words about your product and the experience. And then once you've done that, then you can click the black post your review button and your review will post, and then you'll be able to go to the product and scroll down and see your review underneath that product. You can also go to the shop and then look at all the reviews and see all of the different products that have been reviewed. Now you know how to write a review on Etsy. I hope this was helpful.